Okay, once you open up the Vernier Graphical Analysis app and you have the motion sensor set up at the top of the ramp, you're going to bring the ErgoBot all the way up to the motion sensor. Hold it nice and still, and then when you're ready, hit collect, and when you hear the clicks increase, and it's collecting data, you can release the ErgoBot. So hit collect first, wait to hear the clicks increase, then release the ErgoBot. You can stop the data collection when the ErgoBot has hit the bottom of the ramp. And then what you want to do is go to this icon, the little table icon where it says View Options. Click that, and you want to show the data table. Now, it looks like somewhere after 0.5 seconds is when the data started collecting, and then somewhere around 1.2 is when it hit the bottom. So I'm just going to verify that looking at this table. So when I look at 0.55 seconds, it's at 0.126 meters position. It's still at 0.126 at 0.6 seconds. But then at 0.65, it has traveled to 0.148. So I'm going to start highlighting data at 0.6 seconds. I want to highlight data for time, position, and velocity. So I'm going to scroll down here to about 1.2 seconds and just look at what's happening here. Okay, 0.84 at 1.2 seconds, 0.904, then 905, then back up. So it looks like probably at 1.25 is the last bit of data. So once I've highlighted all that, right click, copy, and then I'm going to go into a spreadsheet and just paste it in there. Make sure you label time in seconds, position in meters, and velocity in meters per second. Now, for this assignment, we're just going to graph velocity versus time. So the way we do this, if you've never done this before, is when you hit chart, insert chart, we're going to want a scatter plot. So scroll down under setup, select scatter, and then the X, where it says here X axis, add X axis, you click that, and now you just highlight what you want for the X axis, which is going to be time. Hit OK. Then when you scroll down here, it says series, add series, click that. And this little grid right here where it selects a data range, click that. And now what I want you to do is just highlight the velocity data. Hit OK. All right, now let's look at this. So it turns out that these last, maybe the last 3 points look like they're not good, because I would say that maybe this point right here, this third to last dot, that might be, it might have already made contact and it was slowing down. So what I'm going to do is I want to get rid of these last 3 data points. So I'm just going to go to the table, highlight those last 3, and just delete them. And now you can see I've got a better graph. Okay, now go back to the graph, edit the chart, customize, go down the series, scroll down to trend line. This is linear. Where under label, drop down, select use equation, and that's it. Okay, now this is what you're going to use to do some analysis.